I will be there upon the first blossom.